model, 63-plate Vauxhall Combo Doblo 2000 L1h1 Cdti genuine low mileage 12 months MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 99,621. MOT, the 17th of February 2026. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and drivetrain are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.